In this video, I want to show you how to change the grease filters in an over-the-range microwave. It's really, really simple. You've got to look underneath here, and you can see there's a filter here. You just grab this little tab, pull it out like this, and that's it. But over here, there's another one. So same thing. Just grab it and pull it out this way. I have some brand new ones. And you just want to make sure you get the right size. You can match them up like this. But before you order them, take a measurement. Like these are 5 inches by 7 5/8. And then this one, 5 inches by 7 5/8. So that's an exact match. But this is kind of an upgraded filter. It's hard to see, but you can definitely see through more here than you can here. This has 12 layers to it. This one I don't think has as many, and this is the one that came with the microwave from the factory. As you can see, it is doing its job, but the importance of this is to stop the grease. You would be surprised how much can get through and go up into the fan motor and the internals of the microwave and just cause all kinds of problems. Over time, you won't see that happening, but little tiny bits of grease can get up there and just kind of make a mess. So in order to avoid that, make sure you change your filters when they get to something like this point. So to reinstall, you just put it in the same way, just like this, up here first. Grab that little tab, pop it in like that, and then do the other side. Open here, and then just like that, it'll lock into place. So that's it, a quick, easy little maintenance thing that you can do in your kitchen on your own. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.